Seri twarero kurubekana nigo kwabo koinekiwa asobuga tagati bwomochi obosongo asaba sabo bekigori ya Gen Z bagendrete komo mochi omurai wese Dr. William Samuel Ruto gobatkana nechira cyobolimo ekyabetega kubaliera cinga kyarenge kwerigeria chikura kurengana baraboni go baterena goika bagendere gokora ukorobekana agoikamagania babereka goikiraniwa gosobugima bwabere bokoroba ase nonya nabo bamuganire Ruto korwa abisi nigo cinga kiecyo bayirali bagerio nakubalera abalia kubainyora abalia babiri bagosire magima bo kubatkana no korobekano kuko aberego koenekiwa imeyense ya Kenya Julie Kerbo norboti urwaso wime
kubatkana no marai wense William Ruto gotuguteraro muswada bw'ekibesa gose finance bill Aseri tukoria rero niga kegori gya Gen Z gesokya nako gikerio kubwatwa no goitwa n'abanyanyimbo kukwenekirwa sokorobekana kwa bari tukoria Jumanne no gusaba marembe kwenekirwa asengencho korobekana kwa boni gokore ku marembe.
The president, we know that we elect you, then we love you, but the way you are killing us as youths, we are not dogs to kill us. The last time you killed us and we were just demonstrating peacefully. We don't do looting. Why are you killing us, Mr. President? Why are you killing us?
Boigo nigo bamuchiri omurai bwense asogoteikeraneria abasae n'abantu bokonyoro bwense eira barierete ekero arenge koriga chikura chuburai bwense.
You promised us that you are going to do us. You are going to lift us. What are you doing now? You told us that you are going to lift us as youth. You told us that you are going to lift the border people. You told us that you are going to work with Mama Mboga. What are you doing now?
Ruto aja kudanganya, alidanganya wakati wa kura tukampigia kura mingi sana. Sasa hiyo ametaka kudanganya hata bitisha bill, adurusha kwa punga tena hasa kufanya vinsinga haitasaidia. Ruto uwezi kudanganya. We are now grown, we are mature, we are young people. You know what to do. Don't teach us. Hatutakubali chochote.
Abasaya abo abange babo baraboro Kibobechi University nigo bamuchiriye wizara y'ekisemi asogotarwa kibese cyo gusira amasomo abo guse help.
Hata nyumbani kwenyu hamtaki, watu hamtaki kila mahali. We don't want you. And we are saying the Department of Education, you have denied to pay us school fee. You have denied to help us with help. We are saying like this, as comrades of universities, we are coming to you as State House direct. We are coming.
Bono nigo bamuganiri omurai bwense William Ruto wetigemere munakorwa abisi asengencho yo gutaikirania eira abarierete abakenya.
So Ruto, you must go. Watuwe. Sasa ndio nenda hata mkirata majeshi kwa State House. Hata mkirata bila kupiga marisasi. Hata mkirata wakiwaleta watupiga marisasi lakini tupate haki yetu.
As for today, we don't have president. And we want to tell you direct, as Gen Z, we are not have president. We don't have. And as from today, move out from the State House. Move out. We don't want you there. And we are saying as youth, that we don't want you. Ruto, you must go. You must go. Mtoto wa Sogoi, lazima uende Sogoi.
Ingoripoti rigeta seni Ndizi TV, Editorial Julie Kerubo.